A facial expression of frustration and the excuse, "I don't have enough time," are common whenever test takers are encouraged to use test-taking strategies. Test-taking strategies are simply tools to help you to do your best and give you a peace of mind about your performance. In this presentation, you will be shown a few test-taking strategies that have a track record of success. Naturally, you'll want to read the selection first, but that's a first-class ticket to boredom. Instead, start with the questions first because they give you a purpose for reading. Strategy number 1 and 2. Highlight keywords and rephrase the question. Huh? Have you ever read a question, but you didn't understand what the question was asking you to do? You probably needed to rephrase the question. You can't answer the question if you don't know what it's asking you. That's why rephrasing the question or rewriting it in your own words is a good strategy to use. To rephrase a question, you first need to identify the keywords in the question. Then you should replace those keywords with synonyms. What does the word conduct mean in paragraph 2 will now become, what is the definition of conduct in paragraph 2? You probably understand this wording of the question better than the original wording of the question. Strategy number 3. As you read, write a one-sentence summary for each paragraph. What did I just read? Have you ever read a page in a novel and your mind began wandering? By the time you reach the end of the page, you don't remember anything that you just read? That's why writing one-sentence summaries as you read is a good strategy to use. They help you to monitor your comprehension as you go. This way, if you ever forget what you've read, which will happen, you will have your summaries to refer back to. So let's look here at our passage. Dear parents, tryouts for boys middle school basketball will be held in the TJMS gyms from October 22nd to October 25th. We would respectfully ask that all parents remain outside the gym during tryouts. In summary, basketball tryouts will be held in gym and parents aren't allowed to watch. Let's look at paragraph 2. We make every effort to evaluate each and every athlete fairly. Each athlete will be evaluated on basketball skills, effort, ability to listen and learn, as well as classroom behavior, conduct, and citizenship. On Tuesday, the last day of tryouts, each player is given a sealed envelope with a letter written to them. On this letter, there is a checked box stating whether they were selected to the team or not. Nothing is posted on a board or read aloud. Everything is private. We suggest that each athlete open their letter by themselves after they leave the building. If you have any questions, please call us at school, 531-3140. In summary, athletes will be judged fairly and will find out if they made the team in private. Strategy number 4. Eliminate incorrect answer items. No, that's not it. There will always be one answer choice item that is obviously wrong. Find it and get rid of it immediately. Then, there will always be an answer item that could be the answer, but it isn't. Find it and get rid of it. Make sure to tell yourself why the choices you are eliminating are wrong. Eliminating wrong answers helps you to focus in on the right one. The first thing you want to do is look at the context clues to get an idea of what the word conduct means in the sentence. If you still don't have a good idea of what the word means, then you will want to look it up in a dictionary or a thesaurus. Then you want to go back to the sentence to determine how the word is being used. Look at the definitions provided. A, it is using the word conduct as a noun. B and C are using the word conduct as a verb. Going back to the sentence and reading it again, each athlete will be evaluated on basketball skills, effort, ability to listen and learn, as well as classroom behavior, conduct, and citizenship. From this sentence, we can tell that to lead is not one of the correct answers. And that is because the context clues in the sentence don't signal that the word means to lead. Make sure that you tell yourself why you are eliminating the answers that you are eliminating. Strategy number 5, highlight text evidence that supports your answer. Prove it. In math, you have to show your work. In a court of law, a person is innocent until proven guilty, which means lawyers have to have evidence in order to convict someone of a crime. In the same way, highlighting text evidence proves that your answer choice is correct and gives you confidence that your answer is right. So here we have all of the strategies that we've used thus far. We think the answer is A because in the sentence, classroom behavior is a noun, and so is the word citizenship. Therefore, conduct is also being used as a noun. A is the only answer choice that defines the word conduct as a noun. Let's review. Strategy number 1, highlight keywords in the question. Strategy number 2, rewrite the question in your own words. Strategy number 3, as you read, write one-sentence summaries for each paragraph. Strategy number 4, eliminate incorrect answer choices. And strategy number 5, highlight text evidence that supports your answer. Using these strategies will guarantee you success on your test.